Can come make no sense. Some let us some sure.
To that gun.
Exactly. I want to get pregnant too.
Treasure on time. See? Yeah man, so me have $1,000 digital and also me have two $500 flow. See? So watch a movie and find the credit them too. Leave in the comment and thoughts in the comment section. As always, big up on yourself. One Maggie Films, never two. Boom.
Je suis sexy, genre je sais pas. Monte dans l'avion direct, aéroport. J'ai pas beaucoup de cash, ça ne va pas. Mais j'ai ce truc qui frappe, Dua Lipa. Je suis sexy, genre je sais pas. Monte dans l'avion direct, aéroport. J'ai pas beaucoup de cash, ça ne va pas. Mais j'ai ce truc qui frappe, Dua Lipa. Je porte pas de Gucci ni Versace, ma côté lit sur ton tapis. C'est pas du luxe, c'est de la magie, mon énergie part en folie. Rate pas le trip popli, le prix t'as de la chance, allez qu'est-ce que tu dis. Voilà mini, prête à Paris, roule le tapis, j'suis une lady. J'suis une lady, ouais. J't'ai offert l'opportunité, t'es en train de gâcher. Dans la vie, pense pas trop, sinon tu vas tout rater. Allez, montre-moi ton courage.
You want another drink because I'm going to the bar to get something to drink. You want something to drink?
No, I'm fine.
You sure?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, be back soon.
Côté lit sur ton tapis, c'est pas du luxe, c'est de la magie, mon énergie part en folie. Rate pas le trip popli, le prix t'as de la chance, allez qu'est-ce que tu dis. Voilà mini, prête à Paris, roule le tapis, c'est au délit. J'suis une lady, ouais. C'est pas calé. J'suis une lady, ouais.
So I make you look so.
Well, to be honest, I don't even know how to explain this right now.
And I have to explain, man. I don't already know what happened. Judy, though.
How you know?
She not gonna know, you know. Remember, I'm my best friend, you know. She not gonna know.
But if she find out, what do you think is gonna happen between me and you? It's a girl that I love, you know.
That not have nothing to do with me. You have to love me too. Remember, say me give she to you, you know. Remember, say me first, you like you, you know. I'm my best friend, so she can't know unless you chat, unless you can keep your mouth. Me know me can't keep my mouth. It's up to you if you can keep your mouth shut. So that not really have nothing to do with me. You have to love it two away.
Well, you think this is going to work out?
It's gonna work if you keep your mouth shut. You can't keep your mouth shut,
Of course.
then we work then. Me can't mess it up because I'm my best friend.
Well,
Me know if you keep it, it's up to you, you know.
me not really want to lose Judy, you know, because
Well,
Judy is somebody I love and Judy head part sick. Judy
but I told her we have to love. That now have nothing to do with me, don't already tell her that. That now have nothing to do with me.
Yeah, me can love it one, you know, but me have to give one more. Me have to give my woman. Remember say Judy me live with, you know, me have
So yeah, so what have to do with me if she live with? Me care? Me look like me care to you?
Then how you dey go on so? And then your friend like you know here.
I don't care. Remember some me gear to she. What you talk about?
But even
I don't care what you want to say, what they want to live with her or not. You have to love it two away and you have to love me more, matter of fact. Because I say me first like you and me gear to she. If I never want she for hold you, I could have take you for myself. So know that. So I know what you talk about.
But if you first did like me, how are you first me living with?
Because she did show me one pre, so that's why I allow she to have you. No worry about that. That's between me and my best friend.
It's complicated, you know.
That now have nothing to do with me. I never me tell us to get yourself in this.
Julian very toxic, you know.
And me toxic her. So what happened? You have to work it out.
This look like a Bellevue situation.
I saw it go.
Too toxic, somebody me there run.
Well, so you go.
Just want to find out.
If you keep your mouth shut, she won't find out. Unless you can't keep your mouth shut. And you look like you can't keep your mouth shut. I say you keep on a fret, because me not going to say anything. We are do this good while now, so what you talk about?
But remember,
If do you want to mess up, don't you think I would already give hints and make sure she knows that me I take her man? Obviously.
remember so we in a public like this, you know.
I don't care.
Anybody
So
can pass and
who
see.
goes to we are celebrity? If you're a celebrity now and this and that, so if somebody look at you and say, yo, Ray Auntie, me see your man with Ray Auntie, you know. You're not a celebrity.
You're
Nobody
not
know
get
you.
the point. You're not get,
Yeah, piss me off. Me know why you're not frying. You're just a irritate.
but you're not
Stop. Can you just a irritate me? You get me triggered.
Listen for
Me no want. Just stop. You trigger me. You get me irritated. We come and enjoy with us chat boy girl. Me no want hear nothing about her. You don't understand that. You annoy me. You come here for your fun or you come here for chat boy girl. Which one? Me no busy for my best friend. Me not diss her, but you irritate me. Stop chat about her. We come for enjoy with self. You even make you worry about girl when I worry about you. Why you worry about she for? You gonna make me enjoy with self. You gonna make me go me yard. Which one? Can you piss me off? Me no want hear nothing from you and your girl. If you lose her, you lose her. You still go have me. That not have nothing to do with me. That not have nothing to do with me. Matter of fact, you know so she have no other man? I get bun with? Yeah, depend on woman this and that. You don't know, you know if you get bun?
You know say you're right still.
Yeah, chat off your mouth and piss me off and chat about woman this and that. You could as well get bun with 10 man right now and you don't know you worry about one woman where you get bun with.
But if you didn't know say she a cheat for me, you wouldn't tell me. You're not no
My that not nothing to do with me. Even if you get bun, I won't tell you anything. That not have nothing to do with me. The woman want to get about 10 man or whatsoever. That not have nothing to do with me. I take she from you and that's the only best thing about this. I don't care if she want to get bun. That not have nothing to do with me. You own a woman and don't even know if you get bun. How that makes sense? I say the fool.
You know say I shouldn't even there so with her. I work, me tell me woman say me I go. But anyways, I like that.
Yeah, let it go. Okay, make
Well,
people
just
start
chill
about
out.
to have things.
So we come to enjoy ourselves as what you say. So I enjoy ourselves.
The idea about the vibe, some of the way you talk about. You want me to enjoy yourself for a while, you go keep on a chat about your woman. Which one?
Let go that.
Yes.
One last question.
What's your problem again?
You don't feel no type of way how you take your friend man?
No, why would I?
No type of way, you sure?
You deaf? Me this stutter or something? Me say me don't feel away. When
You have to feel away.
people take my man, them no feel away. So what me want to take somebody man? My best friend, but me no business. Suppose she did do the same thing to me. I'm gonna take you and I'm gonna keep you. So it's either she gonna lose you or something, but me know me not lose you and ask me I ask.
How you so sure?
No, me so sure. Alright. Can come make you know no sense. So I'm gonna tell you something sure.
Surety that man.
Exactly. So what's your problem?
And that I call surety. That is not sure, that is surety.
Don't worry about that, man. She don't know if you bad like me. That's why you're there with me. like your woman not bad like me. You need a bad girl in your life.
I know some man.
I know, so that's the reason you have me. You understand?
Wow.
Yeah.
Wow. Wow. I like it. Argument closed.
Simple.
Deal signed.
So what me know? People, man.
Oh God, what a day nice. Yes, man, I gotta look when we get around now. So this is not too crowded.
Someone.
Oh wow. Oh Lord. But wait, Jessica, are you that? Kaka. Well, I'm glad to see you. Oh God. Wait, where you wanna do Palm Beach?
Just there here chilling, no boy drama.
I thought you start smoke now. Who feel like to this?
After I don't know, I'm not there by myself. I'm not going to know. So I come see it.
Okay, I live life, yo.
So I'm not supposed to.
Yes, man. Live life like the tourists them. I stretch out on beach chair and everything. We love that. We can live life, yes. So you see you stay, you see you there all day.
No, I'm so gone.
You know, do nothing else today. You just chill out, sir. I'm gonna see you from this long time, eh? When you last you come look for your friend? When last you come look for my niece?
I don't know what you're busy, you know, I've been busy.
Okay, since you have lived the life, you switch. How we know?
I'm not switch, it's just that I'm busy. I've been busy, so I don't really have time for, you know.
Okay, come me live next door. She me know it's a long time in here on a laugh and a reason and thing.
Oh. I'm still gonna look for your man, actually I'm busy.
Well, not fall out or nothing.
No, I would have followed.
Oh, I wonder because you never normally stay away from her so long. On a batty and bench.
Oh.
Well, my dear, we might just come cool out too, you know. They're good, them have a bar.
Me I gotta go here now still, so you don't really have to stay.
As me come,
Yeah, I'm not stay long, so you don't have to stay. I just go here now, so you don't have to bother stay.
oh, you go look for Judy now then. You go see up a yard.
Yeah, I don't know, yeah, probably. Most likely. How
Alright, normally you're straight on it and you know what you want and you know what you
Because I'm busy. What you want me to do? I have a busy life, so I don't really know. We're very busy. So that's why I'm there. I go and breeze up my mind, because I have a lot on my mind, but that's why I'm leaving now, because I've been here long, so and not because you come. I'm there a long time, you know. I breeze up my mind, so at this time I'm there go here. I'm there for a day.
Well, since I'm not wanted, I down the beach park me I go still and stretch my foot them.
Yeah, go on, man, go on. You can go.
Yeah. So Jessica, I know you're a lighter this.
You know, you to say it's not my lighter.
Alright, so we can't keep it.
Yeah, man, I can't take it.
One
Yeah.
Well, like how you not get up
No,
yet?
no, where you light on for?
Well, you not get up
You
yet?
don't need for. Alright. You don't need for light on. I can't go on, man. I'm gonna leave now, so it's okay.
Let's see her. How you going, Sir Jessica?
Now what happened?
We can't take
But I'm not gonna be here, so why you want to stay here by yourself? I'm gonna leave, so you don't need to lie down.
Alright. Where dog not invited, bone not provided. You understand? I'm not make hold this you. But wait, Jessica, I really run you did run me. How you say you leave and you're going back and lie down?
But I know me and left for you talk about. You don't see me tired. Chop. I'm not my business, man. Yeah, go on, man. Chop, man. Damn enough. No, yes enough. I want
She
my
don't see me. She don't mention nothing about me.
She don't see how your problem.
Oh. We have to lift up for her, so no.
Me not lift up.
B, make me find somewhere else private.
You know, hear me say me not lifting up.
But I know you dictate my
So
thing.
why you want me to lift up? What your problem?
No,
Yes,
go
no,
somewhere
you're so
else.
nice. Me not lifting up. What your problem? She not gone where you look for.
We go somewhere
Me
else
not
private.
leaving. So that the relationship be now private?
We to open up.
I don't care. I yes so we are stay.
Yo, come on.
Me say me not going anywhere. Yes so we are stay.
Come on.
No. I yes so we are stay. Not say you want it. It open up now. Everybody know now. So why your problem? I yes so we are
Everybody
stay.
know.
It don't go. But I never meet. Tell you to get yourself involved in this situation.
Like, side chick, let me know.
What is? Are we a call side chick?
The
Are we a call side
But
chick?
remember say do-
Don't play with me. Don't get bright. You brighty?
sorry about that, but we have to live for here, so. We are going somewhere even nicer than here, so better.
You want to go somewhere private? Me not doing any private.
You have to anti-social.
I don't care.
And your friend, me there.
I don't care. I could have even my sister. I could have even my blood. Me still. What you talk about? I just say we are stay. Me never come to this. I never meet. Tell her figure yourself na this a relationship. You never know. So I get me to be a problem.
May we go somewhere else,
I just
please?
say me and stay. Me want everybody see how we look nice together. What you talk about?
Well, if you are staying, me are leaving.
And if you left, you see what happen. No, left. No, leave now. Walk, go on. Go on now. Get up, go on.
Me not leave you.
Okay, then what's your problem? Me not leaving.
Why?
I'm not leaving. And you can't live out of my life because you're stuck now.
Why?
I mean, you breed me. I want
You are breed.
Yeah, I want me tell you if you do it. You can't control us. So what your problem? You're mad now, mad. So she worse go to come out of your life because she can't breed for you. So we'll
How you
see.
feel breed?
I mean, tell yourself you don't wear no protection. Eh? I want mad,
You have to
mad.
leave now.
He come like, alright, here what happen now. What? Stop look now why you look down this every minute for what happen. Your business if she
You
wants
don't
to it.
understand
Shut up, me no business, I don't care.
You will leave now, no?
Alright, you see if I want to leave, give me where ATM card there. Where card?
Me not have a part.
Where
me have
card?
to it. Me
Where
not have
card?
it, me
You
not-
have the card, stop piss me off.
don't
Don't
have
touch
it.
me man,
Can't
you
see
piss
no
me
bill.
off. You piss
have
me
it in
off.
the pocket.
I never me tell us if you don't wear protection.
You there in
But
the
even-
pocket. Where you want me card?
I want money, you're in a big job, so you know you have to start spending now. Worse, you know?
Come
yeah.
on, we are going to machine. Come on.
Not touch me man, come not like a style.
So tell you about
Yes,
machine
I
already.
want ATM. Go on, man. Cause me not like your style.
Stop, go on.
Money are the thing.
You know me not make me go and say no.
Yeah. How you do?
What happened?
What me on? I don't make me have no. You know say maybe a mother. Come on, I want to. You what, Bill now?
We have to hurry now.
I don't care. Why you walk so fast? Walk slow.
But,
Shut up, man. Take
Let
up
me
your
carry
thing.
my ranking clothes shut in my bag.
Watch your clown. Watch her.
Come on, B, we have to leave.
Just sit me sometime. Come on now. Come on, man. Come on, just irritate me. You don't want to.
11:59 and you left me on red. Yeah. You got me going crazy. Is there something how you say? I felt so lonely, too much room in my bed. Now you living rent free inside of my head. I need you to tell me that you really want me. All I see is 3 dots and now I'm getting hungry. Yeah. The last time I saw you, you left in a hurry. I'm drunk in love and I'm sipping on dirty. It's 11:59 and you left me on red.
I want Clear.
One of my friend them that be
You see a care?
Well, I'm chopper friend them that.
So what chopper man go do? You know see a chopper man a chop grass. How your problem? The man grass a div have no phone. Come on,
Yo,
come on now, I'm be.
all of my friend them with me.
Sure, you know see I got me. Come on.
Be relax, so be.
What your problem?
Look them, you have to go friend him up here, you know. Look over there, so. You might go see when we are past the.
And
You have
what?
to go give him some work.
You know see a grassy man a chop.
Grass, man, I chat. Man know me, I know him, man. I'm a good friend like that. We used to go to school together. Same class we used to, you know. One thing I did.
Alright. Do it.
Hold on, Mikey. No one was saying one of them places, bro.
Wait. Yo, what you doing, idiot?
There, man, you're good.
Come in, man. What you doing, idiot?
There, man, you're good, man.
What go on, youth? For school days, bitching, youth.
How are you doing them place, sir?
Yo, yes, I'm run off, man. The whole like garden, man, for me, man.
Yo, you know what I say? We have some work up a yard for you, though, Mikey. Long time, you know. Yo, from we left school, you know, I first, I see you back, you know.
Yo, big up yourself, yo. Hey, miss, are your girlfriend this? Yo, them mama now is so bright in a class, you know.
Yeah, man, I tell about,
Look
so
at
me not see me long.
Real, man. Yo, you see one time, them mama now, that school, my friend. Everywhere, for them both, them mama now, can do youth. If the teacher say, yo, 10 plus 10, them mama now know say, yo, yo, this one a bad, yo, remember me tell her, yo, them mama now bright in a class, my friend, man. Them mama now, front high class. Me I tell you.
Yeah, man, and
Big up yourself.
this one of the day black, you know. Like back, you know,
Big
you
up
black, you
yourself,
know.
princess, man, you know. Nice to meet you, you know.
So, yo.
I'm a whole time schoolmate this.
Yo, bro, you don't have no phone. Cause I want to get a number because I want to chop out up a yard for me in idea.
You know, so I forget on phone in a week, I'll leave chip alone, me up.
Chip alone.
Forget back on phone in a week, man. Because my phone ain't drop in the water, you see it? But I have a chip number still, I want the chip number. Hold on, you write it down, pa. Yo, I'm glad to see you,
So,
I'm glad to see you, hold on there.
somebody can tell me say you don't remember your number?
No, I have one piece of paper here, someone. Why you make it look so?
Oh.
Take off it. Long time I see them mama and my friend.
Alright.
I'm on a bright boy, you take off your head.
Yeah, man.
I'm on a bright boy when I go to school, man, my friend, man, you know. So you say you have to walk up there for me though.
Yeah, man, I will call her, man. So make sure say you get the phone this week.
Fully active, and this a week I'm going to get the phone, my general, man, you know.
Mikey.
Yo, you can't miss this, yo. Yo, me say a big old manager, you up a rear.
Say you never know that.
Right, and me say.
Rio.
Up a rear.
Rio.
Them in the man, so yo, so me can't get a work over the sitting part of them do chopping work. Come remember say yo, we then clean up the floors them, we then call the department there.
Landscaping department.
Landscaping department, man. That me I tell you, yo, me don't want to do that. That's my dream, better for do
Bro,
that.
you
know?
Bro, you need to go back to school, bro, because you need subject, you need degree, you need CXC, you need this and that.
Yo, brother, I don't want no subject, brother. Yo, me too old, I don't forget subject, brother. Yo, you talk about subjects. Yo, subject can't, yo, Auntie, subject can't do them work, yeah.
No, but the
Yo, Mr. Some man come and say with their 100 subject. Then can't chop nothing, yes, sir. Then can't fix it. Auntie, you. Yo, just shout me.
Yo.
Well, I'll get the chip. I'll get the phone next week. So you say you have some work for give me.
Yeah, man, and if you want to make whole heap of money, like, you want to have work till you don't know what to do.
Whole heap of money.
Whole heap of money, see me or not see me. You never see me.
Never see you.
Yeah, you never see me.
What you mean?
Bro, just cool now, man. But say how far you come from, you know. You never see me, bro. No, you never see me.
Yo.
What me say? What me say?
Big up yourself, man. Be a thing. Me not see you.
Alright, you don't see me. Remember, you know, if you want to make money, you don't see me.
Me a link with me channel.
Alright, bro.
Watch a man girl shine like a looking glass, man. Bombard. Now a subject do that in a youth. What? I'm a J, big up here.
11:59 and you left me on red. Got me going crazy, is there something I said? Felt so lonely, too much room in my bed. Now you living rent free inside of my head. I need you to tell me that you really want me.
Oh, well, me just done cook some dinner for me and my husband, you know. Stop, girl. Wife material. Well, yeah, anyways, you know, say, him have him job, right? Yeah, him work a Rio. You know, him doing little managerial work on the side. Yes, girly. Well, anyways, me do want to talk to you about something. Other day, I send some application, some resume, and you know, my man, he's a hardworking. He's very hardworking, and right now, I want to work, but him don't want me to work. Yeah. Yeah, me have to do something. I got to do something, you know. Oh, Jessica. Girl, I can't tell when last I see Jessica. Well, you know, she's my best friend. Well, alright, listen, me not. No, girl, I'm not styling. I'm just a tell her, say, she's my best friend, but a long time I don't see her. I know me love her, so stop going so. Stop going so. Yeah, but anyways, I'm here, taking life easy. As me say, me just done cook. No, you can't share. You can't. You can't share. As I say, food girl. The restaurant where your mother they run, she still run it. Girl, I miss that lady hand cooking. Yes.
B. Yeah, Jessica, I'm reaching now, so don't call me. Yeah, if me not call you, you not call me. Let me do the calling first.
Remember, so when me come there, you know, she always share out me big old plate, me always get extra and things. So, what you expect? What you want me to say? You're not easy, you know. But anyways, how you and your boyfriend? Wanna break up? Well, girl, I try my best right now to cherish my relationship and keep it. No cheating. Now they go look for nobody. I don't want nobody look for me. Yeah, you know my thing already. Yeah, but I am so sorry to hear that.
What you mean me not fit tell her that be? You always a call and text me when she did there. And you know say Judy in a one mad piece of girl me there with. Yo, look more, cause in me a go you know. Boy, you see your woman make man fear tell lie. What me gonna work today? When I beach, me gonna cool out with different girl. Boy, man, tell her you what. Oh. Right, did nice today. What a wonderful day.
Post some shit on IG. Treat a young nigga like he's grimy. I ain't playing games, baby. You know where to find me. Yeah. Gave me that pussy, now I'm shook. We got history. I could write a book. Let your best friends attacking me, cause how you made me look. And love you ain't easy, baby. You know
Well, don't feel no way, no girl. I just saw relationships goes and honey, I'm Rachel. I'm gonna call you back, okay? My husband just come. No, girl. Me not run you. Me just, girl, stop going. So me soon call her back. Yeah. Honey,
So as me come, you hang up phone. You show a female up on the phone.
a Raquel.
You sure, man?
A Raquel, how was work?
Me no like how as me come, you hang up phone and I talk about. Me know a code, you know. And y'all come sweep me up. Let me see who did up on the phone.
Me don't have anything to hide so you can look.
Let me see your phone.
So you want make you drag your phone from me?
Look, you see Raquel did a call you know.
You not even make me hug you up or no. Why you drag your phone from me?
Me no want to hug, me hungry. You not cook?
Yeah, me cook. Me done cook. Run 30 minutes now.
So where my food there?
Inside.
Go and go share my food. Go and go share.
So why you go on? So me tell you say inside.
You know, say them a time and me come from work and you student us up on phone with friend. Before you share out my phone. I better say the phone not share out. No ramp with me now, little girl. You know a hard man of work in a sonat. You come like a mash up and mash up everything now, you know. Don't ramp with me now. I'm tell her that, you know. Yo, me no want to ramp with me, no. Cause you know I'm serious and me handle light already, you know. Don't take this thing for no joke thing, you know. I'm tell her that, you know, little girl. Go and go share my food.
So be you know it you see me I go do.
Yo, go and go share my food, little girl. Go and go share my food. Hurry up. Go and share.
So be you go what you do? You go pop on me foot.
What? No play. You know something not play with me. You don't know what that already. Hey, I'm mash up here. Don't play with me, little girl.
Be why you go on so?
You know some man hungry there, lay on phone, girl. You know hard man work, girl. Don't ramp with me mash up here, you know. You remember I go on the last time? You go and test me, you hear? And see if no same thing I go on last time happen again.
So still, home is when I'm with you. No need to try, cause you're more than enough. Flow like the river, deep only for us.
One real best shop in the youth. Yo, real best. I'm gonna give me them all sitting up for stand down all the while, brother. I can't want to stand down, brother.
You know, there, man, you know.
Oh, I'm here, brother. I can't, man, for your stand down, brother, and joke a car, brother. Oh, I'm here, man. Yeah, give man, go for stand down. You feel me a printer, brother. I want thing, I tell you, say, my general.
Yeah.
This is a workshop, like best workshop out of so. I remember me tell you from the start work here, how to become the best shop. Oh, yeah. Oh, dear man. That's a code. Hold on. I was calling upon the new phone now. Ah, Keisha.
I just after 3. In case you say, I know 3.
Hello.
Yeah, Mikey. I mean, how this, bro? You don't pick up your voice.
Yo, wait. Yo, my schoolmate, how you dealing? But there, I'm a general, I do some work on my real best. I say, you see it? Because I remember say, we have whole pass killing them, man. We do chopping work, said we, and you see it, we joke of car, said we.
You know, you no man to do your cock. No, don't chop people yard.
And when Kane for chop Kane time, I don't know, so we over there said we, you know? All purpose and call me, J.
Oh, all purpose. Yeah, man, you can do everything. Boy, not easy, no. Well, anyways, bro.
So you say, go and talk to me now.
Me not too really have much time to spend because I have work to go, bro. So, yeah, what? You will come forward, come chop your yard for me today. No longer than today, because you kind of bush up for this long while now, bro.
Oh, you know, so I could come to them, J. How you live again? On the left. Oh, side eye red bar. Oh, yeah, for real. Yeah. I know so that house, I know so that house, I know so you have a mansion somewhere else, or the girl shan, you know. You see it? Oh, because I remember say you're a manager in my schoolmate. So you say you want down as a clean up? Oh, down as a just, you know, big house yet. I have so much subject, me general. Don't worry yourself, man. So you said, we can't take another day because I'm on a piece of work now down one of my bridge, you know? Yeah, man, I do come here, I do come some car down as a G, man. Because I'm tough like that in my G.
What you mean, boy? So, bro, me not tell us if you want a whole heap of money, bro, you can come check me, bro. Me have a whole heap of work for you, bro. How you think you're going to survive, bro?
Oh. Alright, you want to know, I left your son forward up there. Because I tell me, this man and 2 p.m. no help money like that neither, you know. So that's me afford. Because remember you said I can't reach, you know, around here, you know. But now you put me rich down. Alright, a code light, man. I'll tell from my brethren what I go on, man. Watch out, I know so I run go up the road, so I eat it now and come back. You see it? Yeah, man. I so come mash up this piece of worker, man. I don't want to crime me and mash up, you know? For real, man. Yeah, I'm so far, yeah, Jay? Yeah, man, I love, man. I'm so far come mash up this piece of worker. Because I want to look up all the so smooth, you know, see it? You see it? I'm so far, my general, man. Now, a little more. Yo! Boy, I want me up some money for wash a bus there now.
B.
Yes, honey.
B, where they do? Yeah, crush up your shot more than how you look crush up already.
B.
Don't do that, man.
B. Me not tell us if you make me press out the shirt.
Me kind of late right now, B. I can't do that. Kind of late. Me a hurry right now. One man fi come cut yard today. One of my schoolmate them from back then. Classmate, so. A schoolmate, classmate. He ma come chop around the yard. The money did this up and it just so when he forward. He ma go work here permanent, you know. So anytime he had one cut and he me a go see film face, I go see and he mash it and probably walk her. How me look? Me look ready?
You look nice, son, but you sure did want press out and me tell us if you give
B, me not have time for that. See money that's up on it just
But before you put on the shirt, me could have press out it.
Yo, look more. What your problem?
Not even one hug.
Yo, hold this a Yo, ease me up to man, can you see me later? What kind of hug, bro? When I come like here, time is money, you know.
Love you, B.
Man, later.
Boy, rough, sir.
Collecting time. This love is
Miss Simone.
Oh, morning, my nephew-in-law. You good?
Yeah, man, you up on the what? Must say come go here now, you know.
You have to pick up on Babylon work to make a living.
No Babylon work. Me not deal with Babylon.
No, my nephew, me know say you're a big manager, man. You're a big manager.
Take me shot, Miss Simone. Can't touch a manager shot like this. You all have all the dirty broom and sweet.
Aye, man, you pass the place with me, you know. Me and you no
No,
size.
Miss Simone, no do that. No do that, no do that. You know see how my shirt clean. Miss Simone.
I have a friend in Georgia, best friend I ever have. All rubbish. I can't rank himself with me like some me and him are any old size. Sure. Best friend I ever had. He never ever fails me. He never makes me sad. Dirty boy. Friend, all him, a dirty foot boy. Me don't know what my niece really seen like that, you know. Look how she brown and nice and cook get any man she want. And that whole mantle she a bringing in the yard. Make her talk to her still.
Yo, me not like live with woman family now. Lego the rasta woman if you Lego in a youth. Me don't know what she come went outside of me for. Woman see me I go work and I sweep dust for me and come clean. Sure, yo.
Me not like him. She fit the better man. He treat her like shit. You see, if it was me, would I shot that one a box and make him. Hey, watch me and him. I gotta talk to her. I that me for do. I gotta talk to her. Judine, come here, baby. I want to talk to you. I have something serious to talk to you about. Oi. This have to stop. Come here, man. Come.
Yes, Auntie.
I want to talk to you. Because something that bother me from a long time. I have to get stuff from my chest. Tell me something. Me just come out with playing with it. What you seen at that water wash boy?
Who you talking, Auntie?
The water wash plathead boy that you say you have.
Auntie, why you the talk? Why you the class him as that now, Auntie?
I
What
true,
happened, Auntie?
me love you, you know. Because you don't really want to know what in my mind for call that the man too, you know. How much times me over there, so? A God himself send me forget this a place for rent. You know, see something wrong in this here relationship. Hey? Do you need name or punch bag? Which one? A skin you have or a leather punch bag?
Asking me, Auntie.
Okay.
Why, Auntie? Just get to the point. What is
May
the
I
problem?
get to the
Because
point?
I understand.
My goody sister never got through 57-hour labor with you for bring you in this beautiful baby in this world for turn man punch bag. You know how much time me there around there? And me want come round and karate the brutes? You know think so me I hear that? And me I hear my shout after you.
Auntie.
Auntie, you auntie me, You auntie me. Sure, you not get the chance to put on the makeup yet. You just put on the eyelash. Me see it. You want me to phone your mother, little girl? Never phone my sister, man.
Auntie, you have to understand that relationships, you have ups and downs. You understand? So when you hear one little disagreement around here, you hear one little argument, Auntie, you cannot watch that. We're good, we're fine, we're okay.
Okay. I know you a slap him though. That him a lick you. Me not see him with no bruise.
It's Auntie, him nah lick me. Where you get that from? My hobby, him nah lick me, Auntie, is that sometime when me and him like we will play and me will fall and me will lick up my face and I run there or something. But him not lick me. Not sure you hear my talk aggressive sometime, Auntie, him not licking me. Him not licking me, Auntie.
Not licking you, Me in this world a little bit longer than you, my niece. Me know these things. Me go through these things. And me make excuse to these things too. Me know the red flags, baby. You love him more than him love you, not true? when him talk nice to you, it feels so sweet. You're not in trouble, not true?
Then auntie, if your husband a talk to you sweet, you're not gonna feel nice. Well, auntie, anyways, listen to me. Yes, I do love him. You asked me a question a while ago. Yes, I do love him. And auntie, you know for judge.
So you not love yourself.
Of
You
course
not love
I
yourself.
myself, auntie.
You can't love yourself, my girl. Eh? I make man a batter bruise you. Eh? You're a punch bag now, my girl.
Auntie, with all due respect, let me just maintain the respect the fear, auntie, and if you stay out of my life, auntie, you don't have no right to come around here so and tell me what's wrong from right for me and my relationship. Auntie, remember, when you did there with the little Rasta man down the road, don't he used to abuse you? Auntie, remember, I was the one who's struggling with you. I was the one who picking up one of your laxes, right?
Hi, my girl. Yes, you were. And you remember the word you just used? Left him, leave him, used to. You are got through now, present tense. That's in the past. Load the dirty wash foot man and leave him in the past. So you help give me the strength to leave,
Auntie, how many abuses you go through before you leave that Rasta man?
So me no want you to go through the same
You know what
thing.
I know, auntie, but you know what you tell me? You tell me that you don't want to jump out of frying pot and jump into hot oil. That's what you tell me. And you say stick to the evil that you know. Huh?
Baby, I feel sorry for you right now, cause you're too sweet for go through what me did I go through. That's what me I try to save you from. It's hard, I mean, I want you out that apartment, girl. That's why me I try to save you from it. It's not nice. And I one place it's gonna lead you to, I mean, I want you go there. I don't want you go the graveyard. And that me I try to save you from. I've been through it. Please, my niece, listen to me. I don't want nothing to you. You're too sweet for him. You're too good for him. You're better than that. Love him. Me will help you. Me will help you. I will love you. We'll do anything for you, man.
Auntie, with all due respect, you cannot give me what my boyfriend give me. And auntie, me appreciate that concern about me, auntie, but what we do, me nothing to me, Nothing
Yet,
me, auntie, but auntie, me give me one hug. Auntie,
leave him. Learn from my mistake.
But auntie, you need to stay out of my life. Okay? Stay out of my life. Yeah, I'm in love you. Just know I'm in love you, yeah?
Alright. Just think about what me say. Think about what me say. Cause me no want nothing to do you. Me no want you end up in the graveyard, my girl. Me no want that for you, my niece.
Auntie, stop. Come back here for a sit down. Auntie.
Yes, my baby.
You see, from now on, watch me. Watch me how me do my thing. Because, auntie, I know. Alright, listen. Let me break it down for you. Right? I know so every man stay in a auntie. You understand? You see when him talk, he might come around, You see when him talk aggressive, me not answer him. Me just be patient and smile. You see when him go on like him mighty, me not answer him none at all. Because me know say him a go change, auntie. Him a go come round. Sometimes I just the devil, auntie. It's the devil just I tell them to do things. I understand? So from now on, auntie, you're going to see how me work this thing. Okay? So you just take it off your mind. Take everything where the think about right now after your mind. You understand? Yes, auntie. I mean, I like when I cry, auntie. That's not healthy for you.
Anyway, we try. Me cook some callaloo round there. You eat already?
Yes, auntie, me eat already.
clean up, man. Hello? Hello?
Yeah, auntie, so you have to just understand.
How would that?
Must be chopper man. The man if you chop your yard.
Okay.
Yeah. Me get to watch it. Yeah.
Yo, classmate.
Hello dear. Are you for chop your yard?
Yeah, man, I'm here for the lady, man.
Alright, come and show you where we start from. Come.
Alright.
Come.
Yeah, what going on, Auntie? My classmate not there.
No, you know, say him leave, him gonna work.
Hello, miss. What going on, mommy?
Give thanks.
I don't know, I'm there for start work, you know. The general said, come in for a piece of work. I don't know, I'm coming for match up, you know.
Okay.
So,
You wanna go to the yard?
yeah, man, I do people living, you know. I do everything still. I do work. You don't know, I do landscaping, said there. No work I do, man, you know. So, yes, I go on now, yes, sir.
Yeah.
Round us up, around us up, too.
Chop out the whole of you, so. Around
this,
this too. Yeah, man. No worry about the payment, man. Just.
Seeing.
Yeah.
I hold for what this, man. Yeah, so, I get to work, you know.
Alright.
I start up, eh?
How long you think it take you?
This look like about a week it out, you know. I hold for what, man, because I look for goat feed down and so. Hold for red and bush and sit now. Hold for sitting them to deal with, man. But I have everything, man. I have all of my tools. So you say, start my out, Auntie.
Yeah, start now.
Alright, you know where you go.
Start from the side, yeah.
I'm cool in there. I told me they walk. Look at this, man. Everything good, man.
Yeah, we're not reach, like, don't you have something we give something for drink, you understand?
Yeah,
man. Yeah.
I'm something to eat, you know.
Huh?
I'm something to eat, because I don't know. No, they are good, you know.
And something for eat too?
Yeah, man. All day, man. And man. Work hard, you know.
This a chopper man ain't easy. As him come him hungry, eh?
Him belly, bro.
Oh my God.
Big drinking will go on too. But him handsome though. You know, see, oh, him thick and nice. You're a little gardener, man.
Here you know, auntie.
Indeed, I look at you. And that there kind of man you want. You know, see, you're strapping. If I was 20 years younger,
Auntie, what kind of little chopper man you want me to go pick up now? Eh? Auntie, I'll make me all get stammer. What him can do for me? Eh? So when me go pick him up now, how me eat, how me survive? Eh? When me there so with my manager man, and my manager man take care of me.
Okay.
Eh? Auntie, better let's go on.
Punch bag, eh?
Go
I take care of him punch bag. You know what?
Auntie, better just go around here, man.
I don't want to tell you something, I don't want to tell you. So, sort things out. I don't want to have a phone with my sister.
Yo. I saw for my boy here turn bad, man. Fear man have about 1 million subject, man. So hold on. $1 million this a cost him, you know. Hurry up and pass, little youth. Cause I work, you know. No one can catch her. Hurry up and go on.
I have a friend in Georgia, best friend I've ever had. He never ever fails me. Oi, morning, my niece.
Morning, Auntie.
So tell me something, the old tyrant gonna work?
What tyrant, Auntie?
Never mind, me done see him gone a road already. Me see him through the crack in the board. You notice say me no come round here when him there, you know. Cause me no want for Karachi, me no him. Oh.
Auntie, Auntie, you're not easy, you know.
So I go on with you.
Auntie, me just stay here, sit down and go and take in little cold breeze.
Yeah.
Morning, morning.
Morning.
Good
What you
morning.
doing?
Give thanks, give thanks. You good?
Yeah, man, I'm good, man. There. I come clean up a place. Yeah, no?
Anyways,
Yes,
like
miss.
when you done clean up out, so more if you clean up around here, so now.
Yes, miss.
You understand?
Yes, miss.
And me see job where you do outside. Look good.
I tell you, sir, them things I'm going to living, miss.
Yeah.
Yeah. So, I'm going to start from around here, so, and come around our side on us.
Right, right.
Yes.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Okay, you're welcome.
Me for make clean up the whole time. If you chat to him, man, bring him something, you have to cook him something nice too, yeah? Look how him humble and hardworking.
Auntie, and me, if you cook nothing give him. We are paying for work. You understand? So what me supposed to do? Me supposed to pay him and I feed him at the same time? Auntie, sometimes you have to just relax yourself. Yeah, Auntie, sometimes I got to relax.
Let me teach you something, yeah? Encouragement, sweeten labor, and a way to a man, heart is through him belly. A good youth that. And him nice too.
Auntie, me understand say a good youth, yes, and him look genuine. But you're the leader for one whole story. I got to something different, Auntie. I Auntie, me tell us that the only man me truly love right now is my husband, is my baby, my everything. When me live a house with Auntie. So me see your little games where I try playing Auntie, but guess what? It not gonna work for me. You understand, Auntie?
Yes, we're frame. You know what him out a road do?
Auntie, my man now did not know the road.
Hey!
No, he's not that type of person, Auntie. So me not understand what you say to me right now, Auntie. I have to Auntie, just cool no, man.
May I tell you, baby girl, it's one thing to learn from your mistakes, but it's something else to learn from somebody else's mistake. May I try to save you from the cliff?
Dirty on the dash. Yeah, we riding slow, but that money moving fast. Look at all this cash. Yeah, we riding slow, gotta watch this one be passed.
Babe?
Oh, so one of them there one if I did up here, did up here?
No, I'm the Aaron honey.
Oh well, me I will up here, you know, so that's how make you know for now.
Make sure you go up there and find out some foolishness, you know, with no man Judy, you know.
I'm tapping nice on my head. Nobody I no trouble I want to you. Anyways,
Alright.
later.
Yeah, with the
Mwah,
banner, take care of
mwah,
yourself, love you.
mwah, mwah, mwah. Guess what, babe? Guess what?
What?
Oh, I'm 3 weeks pregnant.
3 weeks pregnant.
Yeah, at 3 weeks now, I'm to you. Anyways, come off from phone. I look for my friend. Come off from phone.
You really don't care, oh yeah. But that money moving fast. Money in the air like you really don't care. Yeah, we ride it slow, watch this one be passed.
Janine Bestie! We there. May I come, girl?
If you want to make whole heap of money, like, you want to have work till you don't know what to do. Whole heap of money, see me or not see me. You never see me.
Never see you.
Yeah, you never see me.
What you mean? I saw my boy tell me say Ray. Oh. Okay.
How are you?
I'm going to look for myself every minute. I want.
Oh, I want man of daughter and get fish up here. Then call him Chopper Man. Yeah, so
Oh, I thought. What's me? I see you, man. Anyways, you're good.
look how long you not come look for me, girl. Come give me a hug.
I don't want to tell you, I'm life busy.
Oh,
Busy.
good job, but you
Don't look for you.
you have to come look for me, girl. They can't they have me. And now come look for your best friend. I see you cheat your best friend.
No, sir.
Well, anyway, I'm gonna leave on the young people. We'll see you later, yeah?
Alright, Auntie.
Yes, you know.
Okay, Auntie, alright. So where are you going with differently? You're just there.
I want to come look for you for a long time. That's your best friend, man.
True. Oh, you look nice. You look nice. You look very nice. So life I treat you differently. I that more I ask you about.
Treat me well good. Feel well good about life.
You feel well good about life?
Yeah.
I can see. I see that you do your nails and you're well suit out. Y'all like y'all get fat too.
No, girl, don't get bright now. I'm comfortable, my man. Yeah, because I'm happy with my man. That's why I gain weight, you know?
Happy for you.
Yeah, I'm 3 weeks pregnant.
What? You're 3 weeks pregnant?
Yeah, I see how walk.
Wait.
Yeah,
That means that I get one little niece then. Yeah, because you're best friend, so she can call me, or she can, or me go be the godmother.
You can't do anything.
Me go be the godmother once I get one girl.
Yeah, I hope you're happy about it.
Of course. So what I mean by how me happy about it? You know see how me
See, I'm just saying. I hope you're happy
Okay.
about the baby.
Yes, I am happy about the baby. You know see how for you tell me say you're pregnant, my face expression change. Eh? Whoa, that means I'm going to start by Pampers, wipes, bottles, a lot of stuff. Me happy for you, girl. Boy, any man we are fine. Oh God, I'm a treat you good.
Yes, come for me. You body him up too when I'm ready.
Yeah, me realize.
I'm a body man.
Yes?
Miss,
Yeah.
can I have some water, please?
Alright.
Thank you
Here
very
you go.
much.
And listen. You earn yourself one full-time job now here.
Okay.
So from now on, anytime you had bush up more, you can come.
My work.
Yeah, your work.
So,
Okay?
so thank you very much.
And listen, you don't have to call me miss. You can call me Judine.
Okay. Okay.
Yes.
Sorry.
Mhm.
Sorry boy.
Yes.
Someone not look for me. You already just give me a weird vibe. No, what kind of man is on a higher? What is? What? So I want make you watch someone else dance. What is? Girl, that what? Why y'all watching man that? What kind of dance in them there? No, for true, bestie. Why y'all watching man dance?
What is the problem? What is the problem? So I can't look. I'm just looking, girl. I'm just looking. So what? Why you even a think now in your brain?
Okay. No. But yeah.
Why you even a think now? See,
So what wrong with the man? You say hardworking man.
so yes,
What's
he's a hardworking man, but what give her the right now to think? What you thinking inside that brain? Why you think now? So I like him, girl.
Talk I blush. I blush like I watching my dance.
No. No, listen. Me have my nice, decent man will work a real. Where is a manager up there? So me not understand what you want. Girl, me look like a party. Huh? Me look like a scab. Me like one of them scabby girl.
No, girl, no.
Okay. You know see me nah say the work where I do low, but why would I drop my good old clean man, my good old hardworking man, which him a do hardworking too, fi go sit down in a poverty. Huh? As some would well warm. As some would girl, let me tell you something, my ear do every week. Miss, my ear do every week, friendly. So don't do that again. Me just a look. And my yard him there not chopping up. So me have to look. Yeah. And let me tell you something. I not cheat. I never cheat for my man. Me too loyal if I go do them something there. You hear me I tell you? Yeah.
How are you liar? I might lie, but every man liar to their woman.
So what you want to say, no girl? But you see me faithful.
Oh. Yeah, I know every man liar. So.
Well, my man loyal though. Argument done.
You sure about that?
What do you mean by me sure about?
Girl, I don't want some hair talk already, girl.
I think the time I get too late now, be a mosquito bite me. I need to go inside. So later here.
Yeah. Wait there, relax. Come here talk to you. Anyways, let me ask you a question. Why every time me depend on one specific topic, you want go? What your problem? In reality, me I tell you, I can remember somebody do all of them things I know about them shit there, you know. I know about all them things there. No man, no liar, not even yours.
Oh yeah, what? Excuse you?
Your excuse.
Listen, don't write yourself with me, girl. Don't do that. Cause when my man come from work, as my man left work, him come straight to my yard. Girl, go on your yard.
Between the time I work, you sure work him again?
No, girl, come get up and go on. Come out of my yard, girl. You get too much now. Go on now. Me not care. Yeah, me your best friend, but you talk too much now. Get up and go on now. Come out of my place. Excuse. Where you go, girl?
I joke me already. Almost a long time me not see you, somebody have to run one joke to make see if I still have that vibes in here, you know? I still have it, man. A long time somebody have to run a prank. What happened? You never want me run it. You don't miss those days. You feel not talking like you never do me worse than that. So laugh up yourself, the man, I stop doing me son a girl, no such joke me already.
No, but me I say.
You know, see a man, I loyal, man, prank God here.
And you if you tell me what go a long time, I not see.
Please.
Yes, Auntie?
How what did the chopper man in round there rocks and dance now and what you sweet?
Oh, Auntie, I told me tell him say I get the job permanent now. So anytime the bush grow up, him fi just come chop it. Cause him work that now.
Oh
Yeah.
so him get the work full time now for the garden.
Yes, Auntie, fi chop the yard, yes. Yeah.
Anyway, so sugar me come for bar. You have none?
Oh yes, Auntie, you can go inside, looking at the kitchen, you see the sugar. You understand?
Thank you, my dear.
Yes, my Auntie, you're welcome.
She's nice though.
Thanks.
You see her on the beach one day, man. She's very nice. Alone.
You see all them someday I got beach, you know, and call me if you say me your best friend.
Girl,
You know,
girl, me never want to see no man. Me never want to see nobody.
Oh, you just want a me time?
Yeah.
Okay, me understand.
Wow, Mikey Dan.
Where you going, bossy?
There, man. But I go on good though.
Yeah, man, we are some man. We must have a king in the
Yeah, man.
my general.
Like how you deal with the front part too, you know.
That's a deal it. I finish here, so, and then I round there, so. So it's a deal it nice, so you look.
Tough, man, tough. Wait till you look, man. So you wake up in the yard tomorrow.
No, man, when I done, I wake up everything, you know.
Through the night I come down, you know.
Yeah, man, everything good, man. You go
Alright,
back
yeah, man. There on so.
Yeah, man, what you know? You see, I don't know if I could have left one, you see it? Yeah, I don't know if I could have left something out of that. You see it?
Oh, yeah, man.
Alright, when I move, I don't move.
Alright, bro.
I'm going to buy something sitting, you see it?
Alright.
Alright, I'm telling you. You go back.
B, what's up?
One baby.
Alright.
One be yes, me alright.
Sure.
Just come from work.
What's up? B, I come go and go take off my clothes. Cause I hurt me I come from, you know that. You know cook?
Oh, as you're there, lighter, Miss Fatney, we get from you on the beach. When you was alone.
And I'm my lighter.
Oh, are you me getting?
And I'm my lighter.
Oh, so you smoke on your own. So are you a lighter then, Dalton?
Yeah.
Oh, you miss the markings on it. And are yours?
No my lighter that.
And are yours?
When you say I'm a female from me, son of me.
Where you get that from? How you lighter thing coming to play right now?
It no belong to me, down.
No, with a lighter.
Okay. Thank you, me will keep it. Alright.
You know, say me have fun going, cause like your auntie I lose it up here so. The auntie are mad, you know, she a go. You need to carry go to Bellevue. They are going. Later, brownie.
Oh, my girl.
Look here, girl. Let me tell you something. I run joke, but me no run man joke. Don't come on me yard again, come hug up me man. Red flag this so. A matter of fact, you see night I come down.
You're best friend, so not hug up your man.
Oh, you could have been my sister, come go on your yard. Look here. Me not run you, know.
Come like that you do.
Me not run you, but listen. Don't no pass the place so again I run them the kind of joke there with me.
Julian,
you understand?
I forgot to make your best friend. Why am I take your man? Why you not think that?
Yeah, we are best friend, but as when me just a while ago. Me supposed to paranoid because me can't trust nobody these days.
So you really feel so I take your man?
Me never say so. Me never say no. I never say yes.
See what this mean now. You don't rate me no talk. I don't know why and God hurt you that flat but I want to take your man. You don't rate me. Oh, be your best friend. What kind of style that?
You can lower your voice. Lower your voice. Lower your voice because
you know what? Just cut the conversation. Because be a disrespect me. I'm never expect this from my best friend. What a good man.
You're not getting no disrespect.
Done. You really feel me that one. What kind of style that?
You're not getting any disrespect, girl.
Alright.
Yo. Oh no, food no cook. What me did that? Are you me I talk to when me did that?
B, I just see rice left. I just see rice me need to put on.
So you don't know what time me come for work? Yo, keep up on that. Go inside. Go and cook me food. You have been bright and out harder. I second time me come for work now. Yo, go and put on rice. Hurry up though. You have been bright and fierce. You must want to come and mash up in a man.
No, sir. I say you really deal with her? Can't deal with me, so. And because she go like she have tough chat and fear man to deal with her, so. I hope you can shout and go and so make care him go court for this a pick me. Idiots. Hello, I'm leaving, you know.
Yo,
I'm leaving.
Brownie, I leave. Alright, Jessica, take care of yourself.
Hmm.
Make sure you wash your eyes fast and put on in, man. A hungry man is a hungry man, man. Me turn this upside it done,
Yeah, that me I do.
Hurry up! I let them say that you do. Already, man, dinner for ready long time and ready for eat.
Far away from here, and as I fly, I'll take with me moments left behind. I want the sea to rescue me and carry me away. I'll let the waves wash over me and listen for the voices of the tide.
Babes, you can't come down here, sir, please? Yeah, me there Maxine. Your woman not over here. No business more that stills. Just come here. If I love look
Where you
back.
want? Where you call me for?
How you talk to sir?
No, tell me I talk to you.
I need 200,000 for do something.
Who the backside me forget 200,000 from?
I couldn't never meet someone that talk to so.
Look here. You drain the whole of my account since me and your deck.
And what that have to do with me?
I have nothing up on my card. See me woman want do her ear.
That nothing to do with me. Stick up in. Why you deal with her so what do? Me not like that, you know? Not because me not business. I still my best friend now. Why you do that?
No,
Then I saw you the rough.
no,
And so why you treat me so? I can't treat she so.
Myself, you don't worry about me.
Me I talk to you.
Woman, there me hard while ago you call me.
I care. When I call you have to answer. Could I ever sleep? She said could I ever whatever know you do.
Yo,
You have to answer
stop.
like her.
Make sure you know something.
Don't fight no hand on my face. Don't get rude, you're bright. More than 200,000.
You them say me not have it.
Okay, I mean somebody.
What me
I'm here talk to so. I'm here talk to so.
You them fi go on your
You
yard.
say for me I talk to so.
Yo,
I want the 200,000.
me say me not have it.
I said me want it. And don't talk to me like that. Hey, me box off. Hey boy, don't ramp with me now. Hey, me box off your face and don't ramp with me. Oh we are. You feel me a Judine? Me like a Judine to you?
You don't feel me, no say you not
Don't play with me. Me and a Judine. Don't ramp with me. Alright, see because you're bad, Mr. Bad, I gonna mash up your don't touch me, I gonna mash up a relationship. Watch. Idiot. Judine, I'm so sorry about this, but just know, say, your man, yeah, I'm pregnant for him. I'm sorry, me can't be a hypocrite no more. Me and him the whole long. And me know this go mash up a friendship and whatever, but me just can't pretend and I can't be a hypocrite. So just know, so Dalton is having a kid. Want to play with me? I go mash up a relationship. Watch. Idiot boy.
Me this way bestie send I know.
Jadine, I'm sorry, but just know, say I am pregnant. Yeah, I'm pregnant for your boyfriend. I can't keep it no longer. I can't be a hypocrite. But just know, say, Dalton is having a kid. I'm so sorry. I know this go mash up a friendship and thing, but it's gonna have to happen because I can't keep it and I can't be a hypocrite no more. So I'm so sorry. What? Jesus Christ! Denise, get up! Get up! What do you?
Oh God! Oh God! My niece! Get up! Help!
What happened?
Get her up! Get her! Me no know she. Me no know. She just dropped down. Me can't. Get up! Get up, baby! Me no know. Me no know what you do her. Get up! Get up, baby! Get up! Get up! Get up! Oh God! On my phone! Oh God! Get up! Help her!
with me. Moments left behind. I want the sea to rescue me and carry me away.
Oh God, baby.
I'll let
Jadine, me no like see it like this, you know. I sit down and I stress out. Yeah, stress out over the dirty chiggerfoot boy. No, sir. And this me never want, baby. You're too good for this.
Auntie, remember my best friend, you know. Me no know how me go get over this. Me no know. I know today, I know tomorrow, I know next month. I know couple months from now. Me don't know if it go take years. Me don't know, Auntie. This, me just...
Your money hot.
Auntie, me not even know when me go smile again. Just...
As you say smile, at that me want you for do. You know, say, the last time me see you bust a beautiful Jadine smile. Tell me when. You can't even remember. And when the gardener chopper boy out there bust him dance. Could they just talk about him and you smile?
you know, easy, you know, Auntie. But, well, me go leave, you know. Me go leave by the end of this week. Me go leave. And me just go back up to mommy place.
You're the best thing.
Because me can't sit down and cope in this. You understand? Me sorry, Auntie. Me this no, me just realize what you talk about. Me just can't believe. You know what, Auntie? This man go out and cheat on me with my own best friend. You know, like you have some man cheat and with outsiders, but my own best friend. Auntie.
Me see her at the beach, you know. And me did think something suspicious, but me never had no proof. I gotta tell you. Baby, remember when we bring the light around? When your best friend is there? And she me sip on the beach. She no know say me see the dirty boy run off from the beach chair when he see me a come. She never go beach on her own, and she and him.
Auntie, you serious?
I feel him light on me bring. You know, no, you never catch on when me I push the light on the girl face, and she say no.
Yes, Auntie, but me see her look on her, but me did confused. You understand? Me confused there. So Auntie, how you know all of this? You never tell me nothing, Auntie.
And your best friend, me wanted to see if she had any decent. Me know the dirty boo never have none. Me want to see if your friend have no decency. When me I come round and I tell her, say, I a lighter. All I show him mark and him lighter. That's why me did I try to tell you, my girl. You need me I gonna miss you, you know. Oh God, me I gonna miss you.
Auntie.
Like the right thing you gonna do.
How you know them are something and not tell me?
Baby, I try to tell you. But me can't come in on no relationship. Me try talk to you. Me bring round the lighter. Me drop hints. Cause if me did come in and tell you this now, he would have pushed me and you as part and push you and him together. And you said me and mash up on a relationship. Me never want you to go through this pain, baby girl.
Auntie, me go leave. By next week, me out here so. Me sorry say me never take your advice, but as a life go. And what me really I go truly sorry about, me I go leave around there so. But you know, in due times you can
Yeah, man.
probably left and run this at one just come on me day.
That's at the least. That's at the least. As long as you are right, baby girl. Doors are for close, for doors for open.
Good evening.
You know what, my niece? Now come go around. Me agree with everything you say.
Alright, Auntie.
Me love you here.
Love you more.
Oh, so are you dirty Rasta auntie? You make her invaded the ranks, left me. B.
No. My auntie.
Yes, your auntie.
My auntie.
You know who for auntie?
Now force me to leave you.
So you feel something around so? Around this so I'll say everything. Me out that door, you know, nobody feel like Tracy me come in. I'll say evening I walk out, I feel like I gone, me gone. Me
Listen. Me go say this again. My auntie now force me to leave. I am leaving on my own.
B, you're not going nowhere. Stop, you know, B. You know me love you, B, and me will do anything just to make you stay. Anything at all.
What you say? Me can't leave. You want me show you? Alright, let me start pack.
B, look, so B, me will do anything. Please, just give me a chance now. Me will do anything. Anything, me promise. Me no want to leave, B. Me love you and everything, and you know that.
You will do anything.
Me promise you that. Me surety.
Anything.
That is a must. Anything for make you stay, B. Me will do anything.
Anything.
Anything just to make you stay.
You sure?
Yeah, me sure, B.
Listen. I'm gonna make a deal now. Right?
Right.
Once you can fulfill this deal, me will stay. So, you sure you want to do this deal or we are go back out of the deal?
B, me no must have to do the deal. What can
I
I
am
back out now today?
You sure?
B, anything just to make you stay. Anything to make you stay. Me will do it.
So you ready for here now?
Yeah, listen now, B.
I want to get pregnant too.
B, that can't happen right now.
Oi. Settle your bubble. Not by you. I want to get pregnant, but not by you.
Tired of stages telling me that I'll be better when I'm not. I'm here, I know we used to
Are you
have it
serious?
all.
Then B, if it's not by me, then it's by who?
Could have broke this fall. I need you now. I don't care how.
B, I'm talking to you.
Anything, I need to talk to you somehow.
Your friend.
You hear what you saw ago?
Say to me their honest answers, but they can't feel the crushing weight of I don't know, I know I'm here and I
Stick
can't
up in.
change.
Which one of my friend you're talking?
And I want so bad.
The gardener. And I'm dead serious. I him alone make me smile for all these years me a there for. So, deal?
1,000 you got it. I will pass him one night. And he sent a kick.
Sure.
Really?
Take it or leave it. Yeah, take it. Or what?
What if I could have saved you?
Okay.
If only I had been a little stronger. What if's in the way of what I wanna say?
11:59 and you left me on red. Yeah. You got me going crazy. Is there something how you say? I felt so lonely, too much room in my bed. Now you living rent free inside of my head. I need you to tell me that you really want me. All I see is 3 dots and now I'm getting hungry. Yeah. The last time I saw you, you left in a hurry. I'm drunk in love and I'm sipping on 30. It's 11:59 and you left me on red. You got me going.
Hold on, I'm going like something now. Subscribe up. Oh, for when I'm telling you to subscribe, it's a joking thing with that pan. My son. I train a age, but I'm not running down.
Okay, boy.
How are yourself, mama? So, now, yo, you. What's on you? They subscribe to Maggie Films already?
No.
No? Where's the no?
No.
I know you said what? No, you said why?